Alright guys, still your boy Big Tank from Double South, and this tutorial I want to show you how to create this sweet toggle button ready see now. See the rating fresh. Alright, so what we'll do now, we're just going now, we'll create our HTML quickly. Say day and night check. I'll link the CSS. Style.css. Now the bin, I still use my image for here. So if you don't know, just check my videos. I already create tutorial for them. So I come this place, I'll say label, then input checkbox. Delete this one, come on here. Don't need that. And I'll create a span class. I'll call her check. Just like this. So now that I create this one, I'll do. I'll come here, I'll say body, more target the body. Say me the margin. 0, the padding could be 0, then display flex, because I want to shift that into the middle now. That is this one also. I want to shift that on the middle there. So I'll say display flex, justify content center, then align items center. I just made the minimum height be 100 view heights. So most of that will do on course now. Okay, see I said the middle now. And mind you, I increase my zoom. If not originally, I said the thing be smaller. Maybe also I'm gonna see how when I increase the zoom of my browser until like 500 so that now I'll get the fit and everything away. You feel me? Alright. So now I'll target the input and I'll say input type checkbox. So this input now, what we want to be say, we want make this one now say make it vanish, me not the show at all, because now this span and I will target to the click. So I'll come here, I'll say WebKit appearance. So the non and visibility. Visibility could be hidden. Then display none. So I'll come this place here. I'll say we'll target the checkbox now. Position, one designer. Position could be relative. Then display block. So width will be 40 pixel. Then height will be 20 pixel. And background, I say my background be navy. Then cursor, so that one hover and I go show that hand. I will be put this on a click. I want to click this thing now. So pointer and border radius. We'll give it like 20 pixel. Then overflow, hidden, transition. Is in 0.5 seconds. If you say 500 milliseconds, I know you use. So we'll see. Okay. Would I get this thing now? So let's start with the nines, this thing now, the animation, the small one as well. So that will do. I'll come here and say this input here, I just copy them. This input, once we click on here, or once it is checked now, that checked state now, we click on. We want to make this span here, make the background color be white. No, make the background color be navy. That is, this whole background now, so I go change to this color. Why this one I'll go change to this white now? I want to switch on. So what we'll do, we'll come and I'll go use this tiled keyword here now. So that means at the target, every spanner, every check class where the after this input now. Maybe we try to do this one also. So I'll come here, say background FFF for white, then box shadow go be 000. We'll take out a very big number, like 1.5 pixel. Then we'll say navy, because navy now we use for this place here though. So more run almost here. You see? So as I click, the thing they do it for me. But this small already this place now, so then I try the work. You see? So now click now. They show like this on me. So in fact, I might change this color, not like this color. Let's see. This navy. Very dark color now I want to use. Maybe like night way. So I'll select this one. Go back to my code. Paste on here, like this. Okay. I like this. What is it go? So that'll do. I'll come this place. I'll say this check now, so say before, then content. So content and position, absolute. Top could be 2 pixel. Left could be 2 pixel. And background must be white. Then I'll say maybe the width be 16 pixel. 16 pixel. Then maybe the height be 16 pixel too. Then the border radius. We'll say 50%. And transition could just be like 0.5 seconds. All right. What's it do yet? Okay. That's true for you. So I'll come in. I might do the first animation. I might just copy this one. Come down here, paste here. Then I'll say check before. I'll delete all these ones, come on here. So I'll say transform to the horizontal side now. Horizontal now be that this side like this. So transform, translate X. We'll say mostly 50 pixel. Get to push on. I just push on come off of the box now. 50 pixel. Let's see. The width now 40 pixel. 50 pixel good. So we'll see. All right. You see? I'll click now. Don't push and go. In fact, I may push and come back safe. So minus here. All right. You see? So we'll do for the other one now. So that as this one push come out, this other one go push come now. So more on sharp now. So what we'll do, we'll come here, say dot check. Let's go this and come up here. Dot check after. Now basically the same things I won't copy for you, but just change the kind few things for inside. Just a few things will change. So we'll say right instead of left. Then the background color will see be this color here. This 9th color. Get Skype places. Skype on 9th not be like this, so like why they stay now, so and 9th not be like that. The 9th be like be like see at least never still bring lights come. The Skype on night now very, very dark black. When you know they see anybody safe. With the same pixel video. Okay, we'll need to translate to here now. Transform, translate. We'll come out this one. Alright. So we'll see. Let's see. Go back. Click. That's a comma. What did they do wrong? Wait, 16 pixel, better videos, this. Oh, we'll carry on, go back to the state again. So we'll come here, input check after. Then this translate S now, we'll just change it to 0. Suppose to work like this now. Alright. You see. So the thing is sweet. Oh God. We'll give all our problem. So the thing is sweet here. Now this kind of night, so like to get this color, so now this Oyibo country the night is here. Not before our side. At least all of us we know ourselves now. If light's not the way very dark now, black now we see. This one now this Oyibo country, then now they are nice defined like this. They are nice defined like this. But anyhow, you get the gist and you see I'm very easy stuff, just some few codes, not hard. So practice and going to develop yourself on this thing. Check out more of my videos. Tell your guys now here they happen. See your boy Big Time from Double South and Adam Movo. Thank you.